Merry Christmas, viewers! Welcome back to Sonic Dash. Dragonfang here, and as you can see, it's already Christmas Day, and I'm using a Christmas character as Reindeer Knuckles. I know why this is called a reindeer. It doesn't even look like a reindeer at all. We're gonna have to run with him. I already got him, but he only has the event right now is Ragnarok Silver. It doesn't look like very Christmassy though. He seems to be from Norse mythology. So how's your Christmas day, guys? Any anyway. Whoa, that's a close one. Yeah, but do a lot of improvements here. I'm pretty sure you noticed by now. Have a shield. Mm-hmm. There are single run challenges. They weren't around. They weren't around that time. It's always Reindeer Knuckles the only Christmas here. I wish they made something for other characters. I don't think Shadow doesn't have any Christmas costume, does he? Sonic does. Even the classic. I wish they made something for Cream though. Oh, I missed that. Mostly there are a lot of characters with the Rider version. I just see Rider Rouge, but there's no Rider Amy. There's also no Rider Cream, just like the others. Sure wish they made one of those. Although those bound that sure is special though. It makes it easy to get on terrain. But sometimes a bounce back can be your downfall. Ah, wrong way. Got a magnet. Bounce backs are very useful. Be a pitfall. Well, not exactly a pitfall, it's the river. Whoa, that was a surprise. I didn't see that coming. Let's go with the loop-de-loop. Oh, I gotta ride a Rouge card though. Oh, God. Come on. Why are you these? star. Well, they taken up the rev- revive here, the ad revive. I don't know why they take that out. So I got some rings in that one. Let's try this. Oh, the horn got bigger, and he tackles it. That's his dash. Well, Knuckles is strong. I guess he's better off as a reindeer. You guys know about Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but Echidna like Knuckles is red, but his nose isn't red. Ah, good thing I got a shield. Psycho attack! Oh, this is gonna be difficult. Ah, I knew it. Well, guys, that's all I did. I just make a run for Reindeer Knuckles, and I got a reward. 1,000 rings. Okay, guys, that's all I'm gonna do. I just make a Christmas video for Reindeer Knuckles. So, Merry Christmas, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.